Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go over a little bit of how I mix my paints for the painting I just did. And when we went to upload it, Greg and we realized the front camera didn't record. So I'm going to do a quick little blooper here of paints. Not a blooper, you know I have bloopers all the time. Quick bleep of paints, how about that? Just to give you a rundown of what I have mixed. And then we'll get into the painting. The painting will only be a side view. I apologize, you guys, and we'll try and edit it the best we can so you don't see me doing my whole hand motion and all you're seeing is maybe some music or something. We're not quite sure how we're going to edit it yet, so bear with us on this video. The painting turned out beautiful. Okay, so my colors are the liquid metal purple, 24 karat gold, the extreme sheen. I've got Arteza's crimson red, Arteza's deep green, deep yellow, pigment, this little piggy's lily pad. I've got metallic green, metallic orange, and my cell activator is the Amsterdam's white with Floetrol. Mix it with Floetrol, as well as the black is the cell activator is the Saks Mars Black, also mixed with Floetrol. Now the black, I added 2 drops of silicone in it because it's not Amsterdam. I have that on order and it's just not here yet. And mixing my paints, 2 or 3 videos back I showed my new mixer. This guy right here is available on Amazon. I think it was $19 or something. Best little mixer I've ever seen. He takes 2 AA batteries. Love my battery operated toys. And these are what I mix my paints up. I put my beater in, my paint, mix it up, then I dip it in water, give it a little push button spin, it rinses it off, go to my next color, put it back in my water, spin it again, cleans it off. So easy. Trust me, you guys, you want one of these mixers. Greg will put a link in the description on Amazon for that little mixer because it was definitely a good buy. Love it. Okay, all of these paints are mixed with 2 parts the deep base bare untinted with 1 part the polyacrylic Minwax clear gloss water base. So that's what I have all of these mixed up with. The Floetrol is only used for my cell activators, and everything that I measure with is this little kit here. It's a measuring cup, 1 liter 4-cup measuring cup with all the measuring cups in here and the teaspoons and tablespoons, which is a little spatula as well. I got this off Amazon as well. I think it was, I don't know, I'm guessing 15 bucks, something like that. But all of my tools, including a funnel, is all in here. So there's another thing. Hopefully Greg will put a link up to this as well, because my tool of choice for sure for measuring is that guy right there. Okay, so I've told you about my paints, told you how I've mixed them. Let's get on to the awesome video I just did. Side view only. Again, I apologize. Stick with it though, it's a beautiful painting. Thanks again everyone for joining me. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And of course, all you regulars that come back, I love you for it so much. I love the thumbs up, all the comments. You make my day. Okay, let's get to the video. I'm going to put it right here. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. I really appreciate all the comments and all the thumbs up. Just makes my day. I'm going to go a little bit bigger on this one. Those are close. Okay, let's do 3. Why not? I hope everybody's having a good day. This is family long weekend, so hopefully everybody's good and healthy and enjoying life. Okay, there's the red. Now I'm going to do some orange. This is a metallic orange. This is a good time to hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Because I know you've definitely hit subscribe, haven't you? Sorry, I frog in my throat here. Now we're going to do the deep yellow. And do I want to just keep going with colors, or do I want to put it, let's do some purple. This is metallic. This is actually metallic purple in the liquid metal. I didn't have that one on my table to show you, sorry. That's pretty good. So let's do some greens now. I'm going to put just a little dab of green on either side here. Now this canvas is 14 by 14. Okay, got lots of green there. Yeah, let's do, whoop, just about spilled. I always have bloopers, but I did not spill it. This is lily pad. It's going to go on top of the deep green. This one is one of the This Little Piggy pigments. They're fabulous if you get a chance to get yourself some. They're definitely really nice color paints. Okay, I'm feeling like I need to put the gold down. I wasn't gonna, I had it put aside as one of my colors, but I was thinking no gold this time, but I feel like I need the gold. So I'm the boss, I get to decide we're gonna do gold. Okay. Now let's put some cell activator in. I'm going to go with black in the middle. And I'm also going to do some white. I just feel like it needs both. I'm just going with my gut here. And where the green is, I'm just going to put the white. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm just going to grab my blow dryer and blow these just a little bit. And then I'll probably use my airbrush. So it's going to get noisy for a sec. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm just going to grab my little airbrush and blow some of this color out a bit. Definitely have some cells happening, which is good. I feel like I need to put some more cell activator in that red. I'm going to stop for a sec. And I think I'm going to put some more in there. Could be the wrong thing to do, but I just feel like it needs it. I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm going to give this a little bit of a wreck, I think. Just in a couple areas here. Okay. Oop, dripped white in there. That's okay. I'm going to spin it. Oh, I like that little design right there. Let's try that again. Very pretty. Boy, I almost don't want to spin it. This is so pretty. Okay. I think I'm just going to do a little swirl in a couple of spots. This might be a little longer video than I would normally do, but I'm really just trying this out to see how I like it. Have I done enough wrecking is the question. Okay, let's give it a spin and see what happens. Okay, am I clear of everything? Yes, I am. Okay, let's spin her. Sorry, fast forward this, you guys, if you get dizzy, okay? Whoop. There we go. Very, very pretty. Almost want to tilt it a little bit. I'm gonna I can tilt it a little bit so we can get any movement happening. Okay, put that back on there and give it another spin. Super pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to just do a little bit more of a wreck before I spin it. Okay, let's spin her again. These colors are so bright. And I'm glad I did the white and the black. Oh, look at all the lacing over there. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm not messing with this anymore. I love it. More practice and this is going to be amazing. Totally enjoyed that. Might do a couple of little things to enhance. I'm just going to pull this up a little bit. Just a couple areas that just need to have a little bit of line detail put into it. Not much, just a touch. Just beautiful. Okay, not touching it anymore, you guys. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you totally enjoyed that as much as I did. Love this painting. It's just beautiful. There's so much lacing up here. Hopefully the side camera has a really good view of it because it's just gorgeous. Okay, Greg will probably be putting one of his favorite videos up right now. I hope you stick around and watch it. Thanks again for joining me.